go. Hey, enjoy the moment. Take advantage of every opportunity you get. 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, new thugs, new stadium. Let's eat. Y'all have fun today, but it's another opportunity to go make money, go make plays, and establish yourself in this league and for this team. Let's have fun and enjoy the time. Work, baby, work. It gotta be in you, know you, baby. It gotta be in you, you hear me? Let's go, man. First game in that big boom. Let's get it, man. Let's get active. Let's have a day. The G-Men here today. We got people that need to make the team and people that's gonna be great. And I plan to be great today. Welcome to New York. Let's go. John's on me, John's on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Breida in motion on a 2nd and 3. Jones again to Waller, and it's a first down Giants.
You can see the matchup problem is he's a big target. He's got small corners on him, and he runs like a wide receiver.
On a 3rd and 7. Jones with time. Jones to Waller. First down to the 29-yard line.
Waller 3 catches for 30 yards on this opening drive. That's got Giant fans around New York excited.
Slayton's in the right slot. Jones, Bellinger, touchdown Giants. So the Giants go 75 yards on their opening drive. Jones to Bellinger, and they take the early lead.
Hey, nice job, fellas. That's the way. Good work. Good start. Good start. Good job. Good job. Good start.
All right, keep it going. Let's fly around to that football. Anybody get a pursuit there?
It was incomplete. It was like,
Get him up.
yeah, it was like,
Fly around to that ball. Let's make plays.
2nd and 8 for the Panthers. Young out of the gun. Hubbard to his right. 3 receivers left. Takes the snap. Looking left. Pressured. And taken down. Thibodeau with a sack. From the blind side. Brought him down back at the 17-yard line.
hey, Pop.
Great. They can't block you. You get off the ball, they can't block you.
I thought I had him that second time. That would have been nasty.
That was a hell of a rush, too. Hey, just keep on coming. Great angles, great feet. That's good.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
2nd and 10. Hyatt remains in, stacked with Campbell. Taylor. Hyatt, touchdown for the rookie. That's how you make up for the drop.
Yeah, he ran a post corner right at the safety. Looks like he was jogging, and then he put on the Jets.
Take the top off then. That was you know what I mean? Now you're live. That was well done.
Gray is the back. They'll give it to him. Bust through the line to the 5. He's pinning defenders and chugging his way to the goal line. Touchdown! Eric Gray, the rookie. A bulldozer from 9 yards out and a Giants touchdown.
Well, no gray area there for Eric Gray as he just bowled over defenders. What a hard run, tough physical run right there.
I'm glad we talked about that celebration.
So with 1:47 to go, 4th and 10 for Carolina from their own 20. Giants lead by 2. Luton with time. Luton dropped by Gilbert again. But that's a good one to drop because you take over at the 20.
And that'll do it as the Giants jump out to a big lead and then hold on for a 21-19 lead over the Panthers.
First one. In New York at home. Hey, that was lovely. You hear me? That was lovely.
Yeah, first time in MetLife, first dub, scored a touchdown. It don't get no better than that, man. Love for the fans, love this organization, man. Go Big Blue.